In the middle? Yep. How about we put a stick in the middle? Then you can put the ball on. And then we're going to show your dad some stuff, okay? Oh. Hi, Brittany.
Can you sit up tall?
Thank you. It's hard to sit up tall when we're using both of our hands, isn't it?
It is hard to sit up tall when we're using both hands.
Yep.
For sure.
Okay, we're going to stand up. You ready?
Here.
You know what? Actually, let's go on the floor and we'll show Dad how you get into sitting. He can videotape that one first, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Good job.
Let's see.
Get your legs all the way straight.
Legs straight.
You did it. Okay. Are we ready?
Show me how you sit.
Okay. First we get into hands and knees, don't we? And then we put our bottom on the floor. Over on this side, right? Yep, keep going. Put your bottom on the floor. Keep going. I will move your legs after you get your bottom on the floor. Is it on the floor yet? Almost. Yep, now I will move this leg. You know the steps, don't you, Alex? Okay, now it's your job. Push, push, push. Push with this arm. Keep going. Up, Alex, you need to push more with your arm, okay? There you go. And you keep your arm on the floor till we're all the way up, because if you take it off, then we fall over, don't we?
Yay!
Uh-oh, good catching yourself. Get all the way up. Yay! Up!
Yay!
You are doing a
Sit
super
very
job
tall.
catching
Sit very tall.
Do you want to get the ball after we get into your wheelchair?